may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it, that I lost it.
Alright, I'm over here fooling around with this schlemmin right here. Big schlemmin. I need to clean the carb real quick. Should have been done this. And I need to change this tire. This front tire's been flat for quite some time. This bike just been sitting here. I'm really just waiting to buy a new tank, and I just need to really just go get and about to sell this joint. $500, 125 Apollo. Come and get it. It's gonna be sold in a couple days. Especially it's getting warm now. It's 80 something degrees every other day now, pretty much every day now. Oh yeah, it's gone. Towards my next bike, Westsde 85 at the tuner right now. It's having some trouble, so I don't know. Might be selling it or something, but yeah, trying to get the jetting down. It's been there almost 2 weeks now, so we'll see. But maybe pop a couple wheelies on this, get a little practice in. Got my little cousin in town, maybe teach him how to ride it. If I hurry up and do this real quick, so he gonna do that. Carb is still basically brand new. I haven't even rode it yet with the new carb. It just kind of gunked up from sitting around and maybe some nasty fuel or I don't know. The fuel filter ain't doing this job. I do got a full filter on that, don't I? Yeah, it look old and tired, so probably ain't doing this job, so I'm gonna see about changing that too. I got some new fuel lines. Might just put a new fuel line on that too while I'm at it, just cause I got it. We'll see though. Just wanna get it running though for now. But yeah, about to clean this joint. There you go. Got the carburetor back on. About to try to start it for the first time since I put the new exhaust on. Got my helper Nico with me. Say what's up.
What's up?
Got the new exhaust on, got the new carburetor on, the new filter, uni style. I still need to put a new tire on it, but it's been anyway, so I can try to ride it with a rim anyway. So we're gonna try to get our first test run. So see how it goes. See if we can get it start up.
One eternity later.